pattern is 1, in, out, and up. 1, in, out, and extract sound. And you sing what a friend, let's go. The other hand near your chest. So the band has its own life. How? But if you have a steady conductor, sharpening the arrow always, then you are going to keep up the piece can be performed. Regardless of the time signature you are given. Not the temperamental NCO in the band. You know what you are doing. What is it? Mezzo piano. At this point, I want to invite two of us to come and give us a few patterns in 4/4. Senior Private Christian, make your way forward. Private Nunga. He's the one who invented this metronome as a way of controlling the performance. And at some point, I may have to nominate any of us in his class to give the demonstration at some point. Go. Refrain. Ready, go.
Keep it up. We are proud of you, and I think with this new facility now, you'll even be better than you were before. So congratulations. And keep up a great job. Hongera sana.